My name is Brent, and today I'll be presenting on how the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, one of the country's most iconic financial institutions, is using artificial intelligence to redefine the future of banking. I'll cover how AI is currently being used across the industry at CBA, specifically then propose new AI opportunity that could take things even further. The Commonwealth Bank was founded in 1911 and now serves more than 18 million customers, making it Australia's largest bank by market capitalisation. But what makes CBA a uniquely interesting case for this presentation is that it's standing on artificial intelligence. In October of 2024, CBA was ranked number 1 in the entire Asia-Pacific region for AI maturity on the Global Evident AI Index, and placed in the top 5 banks worldwide, which is ahead of institutions like JP Morgan and HSBC. Its mission statement is to excel at securing and enhancing the financial well-being of people, businesses, and communities. It is increasingly being delivered not just by the bankers but by AI systems running 24 hours a day. Before going into the CBA specifically, it's worth understanding just how significant AI adoption has become across the entire banking sector globally. According to Ent AI, the financial services industry invested an estimated $21 billion USD in AI for 2023 alone, and that investment is expected to generate up to $2 trillion in economic contribution through smarter investment strategies, better customer insights, and improved operational efficiency. By 2024, over 90% of banks worldwide reported actively investing in AI, meaning this is no longer an emerging trend but is the new baseline for competitive banking. The 4 biggest areas where AI is making an impact are fraud detection, customer personalization, credit risk assessment, and intelligent virtual assistants. As you'll see, the CBA is operating at the forefront of all 4. The first AI technology is CBA's real-time fraud detection and scam prevention system. In 2025, CBA invested over $900 million AUD to protect customers from fraud and cyber threats. A key part of this is their partnership with Ent AI, a Macquarie University tool that deploys thousands of AI bots daily to engage scammers and harvest intelligence to feed it back to CBA's fraud control systems. Customer fraud losses dropped more than 20% in the first half of 2026, as reported by CommBank. The second AI technology is CBA's Customer Engagement Engine. Launched in 2015 and continuously enhanced, the CEE is behind every personalized interaction the CBA has with its customers. It makes approximately 55 million decisions every single day, analyzing 157 billion data points through nearly 1,000 machine learning models. It operates across every channel in the app, ATMs, call centers, and online banking. In practice, this provides surfacing a relevant product, budgeting tip, or in the case of natural disasters, same-day emergency financial support tailored specifically to your needs. This personalization at a scale no human team could ever achieve. The third AI technology is CBA's internal generative AI ecosystem, specifically Compass AI and the AI Factory. Compass was launched in July of 2024 and is a generative AI-powered assistant for CBA's business bankers. It delivers answers from the bank's internal knowledge base 3 times faster than previous methods and has already answered over 500,000 questions. Supporting this, CBA's AI Factory, built in partnership with Amazon Web Services, which accelerates the development of new AI solutions 4 times faster than before, has enabled CBA to deploy over 2,000 AI models across the organization. Critically, the CBA isn't just building AI for customers. By the end of 2025, over 27,000 employees had engaged with banking's AI learning series, ensuring the entire workforce can work effectively alongside these systems. Having evaluated these 3 powerful AI technologies that the CBA already uses, I want to identify where a significant gap still exists. CBA's mission is to secure and enhance financial well-being. The word secure implies proactive action, but right now, most of CBA's AI still operates reactively. A customer applies for a product and the bank responds. The problem is that financial stress builds silently. Customers are often already in a difficult situation before they ever reach out. Research from the University of Wollongong confirms the industry is actively exploring AI-powered financial coaches that proactively message customers with personalized guidance before these problems escalate. With over 3 million customers already using CBA's digital money tools monthly, the demand is clearly there. The opportunity is to move CBA from reactive banking to truly proactive and financial well-being coaching. AI makes this possible. My proposed solution is a predictive financial well-being coach embedded in the CommBank app. Instead of waiting for a consumer to fall into financial difficulty, the AI continuously analyzes transaction history, detects early warning signals like rising credit card balances and dropping savings rates, and delivers personalized nudges through the app before the problem escalates. For example, if spending spikes and savings drop, the system might surface a tailored budget tip or flag for a refinancing opportunity for that individual. IBM confirms this is an emerging frontier of AI and banking. Anticipating customer needs before they arise, the business case is strong. Supported customers are more loyal, less likely to default, and more likely to engage with additional CBA products. And the infrastructure is already there with the AI technologies covered before. No AI solution comes without its challenges, and 4 key risks must be managed. First is the data privacy. Proactive coaching requires deeper behavioral data access, so transparency and opt-in consent is non-negotiable. Second is the algorithmic bias. Models trained on historical data can disadvantage certain groups, making independent audits essential. Third, regulatory compliance. Any new systems must satisfy APRA standards and the Australian Privacy Act. And fourth, explainability. Customers need to understand why they're receiving a recommendation. Encouragingly, CBA is already addressing these through its collaboration with the MIT Sloan Initiative on Responsible AI, suggesting the groundwork for responsible deployment is already in place. To wrap up Part A, Commonwealth Bank is not using AI, it's operating at the global frontier of AI mature banking. We've seen this through 3 developed technologies: proactive fraud prevention, personalized customer engagement, and generative AI powering its workforce. The opportunity I've proposed, the predictive financial well-being coach, is technically feasible given CBA's existing infrastructure and is directly aligned with its mission and backed by a strong business case. The path from personalization to prevention is the logical next step for the CBA, and AI makes that possible today. I'll now move on to my reflective pitch. A brief look at my personal learning journey throughout this course. Over 12 weeks, I was exposed to a wide range of tools and concepts, from Python basics and data wrangling to predictive analytics, machine learning, and generative AI applications in business. This course challenged me technically, changed how I think about data and decision making, and helped me to clarify where I want to take my career, and I want to walk you through the most important parts of that journey. The most valuable skill that I developed in this course was predictive analytics and machine learning. Working through weeks 6, 7, and 8, covering regression, classification, and neural networks fundamentally changed how I approach business problems. The turning point was assessment 2, where I used real Australian housing data to build predictive models that estimated median property prices and identified the best investment opportunities, parallel to what the CBA's customer engagement engine does every single day, with raw data going in and actual insight coming out. Before this course, I relied on descriptive statistics to explain what happened, and predictive analytics taught me to ask what will happen, and that shift in thinking is something I'll carry on into every professional role that I take on. My greatest challenge was coding in Python. I came to this course with no prior programming experience, and the jump from understanding a concept like regression to actually implementing it into Google Colab was confronting. Cryptic error messages, unfamiliar syntax, and mathematical logic that needed to translate it into code. What got me through was learning to break problems down into smaller pieces and read documentation carefully. I currently don't know what my target role is in the professional industry, but I have gained an advantage from this course to bring into my future professional career, being AI literate and gaining data analytical skills. Skills I could explore further are responsible and ethical AI frameworks, as well as AI governance in certain industries, and integrating the AI strategy into decision making. This course provides the foundation I can now build upon. And these are the references used in this assignment. Thank you.